Founded in 1908, Yarway Corporation was originally named Simplex Engineering Company. The company is known for manufacturing component parts and equipment for use in power plants and other power generation settings. Yarway used asbestos in products like gaskets, valves, and packing beginning in the 1920s. As the company's success grew, it began to manufacture parts for the paper and chemical industries as well. Yarway also made steam traps and joint clamps that contained asbestos. Those who worked on high-temperature equipment, such as steam turbines or boilers, were at risk of exposure to harmful asbestos fibers. Some U.S. Navy ships contained Yarway products, so Navy veterans that worked in engine rooms, boiler rooms, or other areas could have been exposed as well. Further, anyone, civilian or military, in the vicinity of work being done on asbestos-containing equipment risked exposure. In the late 1980s, Yarway was purchased by a company called Keystone International. Keystone was also a valve manufacturer and was eventually bought by a company called Tyco International in 1997. Yarway products stopped containing asbestos in the late 1980s, perhaps 1988. Some products are still sold under the Yarway brand by Tyco International. Yarway was first involved in asbestos injury lawsuits in the early 1990s. As time went on, it would pay over $100 million in settlements before filing for Chapter 11 bankruptcy in April of 2013. It established a trust that started accepting claims in December of 2015. In 2022, over 11,000 claims were filed with the Yarway Trust according to its annual financial report. The report also details that $25 million was paid out in claims in 2022, adding to a total of over $125 million that the trust has paid since it was established. Each trust has to determine its designated payment amount for compensation of each asbestos injury. Then, the trust assigns a payment percentage, and qualifying claimants receive that percentage of the overall value determined by the trust. The current payment percentage for the Yarway Trust is 25%. We've helped thousands of people receive compensation for their asbestos injuries. Let us help you.